Bose SleepBuds 2 offers relaxing sounds and noise masking technology to help you fall asleep and stay asleep. In this video, we'll help you unbox and set up your SleepBuds. Let's begin by opening the box. The first thing you'll see is the portable charging case. Remove the plastic and then push upwards to reveal your Bose SleepBuds inside. Remove this divider and then lift up this flap to find a USB charging cable. You'll also find additional ear tip sizes. And finally, you'll find a quick start guide and important safety information. Okay, now let's set up your SleepBuds. It's important to note, before first use, you'll need to charge the SleepBuds for 6 hours without interruption. Connect the small end of the USB cable into the USB-C port on the back of the case. Connect the other end to a USB-A power supply and then plug it into an AC power outlet. When you open the lid, the lights on the inside rim of the case will glow to show the current battery level of the case and the charging status of the SleepBuds. A blinking status light indicates your SleepBud is charging. A solid white status light means your SleepBud is fully charged. Make sure your SleepBuds are fully charged before their first use. When the case is fully charged and operating on battery power, you can fully charge the SleepBuds up to 3 times. A single charge powers the SleepBuds for up to 10 hours. To power on your SleepBuds, simply remove them from the case. Before you can control the SleepBuds, you'll need to download the Bose Sleep app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Follow the app instructions to connect your SleepBuds with your mobile device. Once connected, you'll be able to choose from a selection of preloaded noise masking and relaxing sounds. You can also explore the sound library to find additional sounds that you like best, and then transfer them to your SleepBuds. When it's time to power off your SleepBuds, simply place them back inside the charging case. Your Bose SleepBuds 2 are now set up. For additional support, visit our website.